is your favorite hotel? Where is it located?
It's the Sheraton, a 5-star hotel located in Saigon, Vietnam.
How do you know that hotel?
Before coming to Vietnam for traveling, I searched on the internet. It's one of the best hotels in Vietnam.
Why do you choose to stay in that particular hotel?
I like the architecture there, and online, all the reviews about the hotel are positive.
Is it by the beach?
No, Saigon is not a beachside city.
Does it attract many tourists?
Yes, I guess. When I stayed there, it was completely booked.
What type of room did you stay in, and what facilities did you get from the hotel?
I stayed in a double-bed room. The room is equipped with air conditioner, a flat-screen TV, wardrobe, etc.
What do you like about that hotel?
A gymnasium, swimming pool, and BBQ area are available. I also love the green space surrounding the hotel.
Is all the staff friendly and helpful?
Yes, definitely. They all are professional.
How much does it cost a night?
It costs me around $250 a night.
Do you recommend that hotel to friends?
Yes, if they come to Vietnam. I love everything there.
How often do you eat out? Who do you go with?
I often eat out on weekends when I hang out with my friends.
What restaurant do you usually visit?
Well, there are not many restaurants in my neighborhood, so my best choice is the deli and convenience stores like the Circle K, Mini Stop, Be Smart.
What type of food do you enjoy to eat? Western or Asian?
I'm interested in Asian food. Western food is not my thing.
How much do you usually pay when you eat out?
It's not very expensive, just around $5 for each meal.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
Yes, I do, especially on cold days.
Are the servers there friendly to you?
Yes, they are. Most of them are really helpful.
Have you ever tried Italian food?
Yes, at least once, when I was in my friend's wedding party.
Are you concerned about calories when eating out?
Yes, I am. I'm on diet now, so this really matters to me.
Are fast food restaurants like KFC or McDonald's famous in your country?
Yes, they are. The youth in my country are big fans of fast food.
Mr. Smith, how about your visit?
My visit has proved to be a fruitful one.
Great.
I think half of the credit should go to you.
You are exaggerating.
You work with high efficiency. Never did I expect you to finish it in such a short time.
I'm really glad to hear these.
I will recommend you as the office director.
I will treasure the opportunity.
I'm sure you will do better than the current director. I have something important to discuss with you.
What's up?
Do you know we will have products analyzing meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I know. Mary is making preparations for that.
Don't bring it up. Mary is too careless to arrange someone to take minutes.
Do you have any idea?
You need to leave your job at hand. You will take meeting minutes tomorrow, which is the top priority.
Okay, what need I prepare?
Nothing special. I advise you to bring the recorder pen in case of emergencies. How is the construction work of a supermarket going?
I'm afraid there'll be a delay of 2 weeks.
What's holding things up?
The supplier didn't provide the construction materials we need on time.
Can I ask who is in charge of the matter?
I'm sorry, it's my fault.
Since these things happen, what have you done to change the situation?
I put an advertisement on the newspaper and found a new supplier.
When will it be handled?
Next Monday.
Did anybody receive a printer last week?
Yes, I got it, and I signed the delivery note.
Where is the delivery note?
In my drawer.
Don't you know that's the only proof the accounts department has that the goods were delivered?
I didn't realize I should have given it to them as soon as it arrived. I'm terribly sorry.
You've had us searching high and low ever since the invoice arrived.
The trouble is that I don't know anything about these documents, and I thought it was just a receipt. Excuse me, may I come in?
Yes, please.
Mr. John, this is the project plan you asked me to make.
Okay, you did it rapidly.
Thank you.
Could you introduce me the main parts of the plan?
Of course. The plan includes 3 parts. The first part is the background of the project. The second part is the steps. And the last part is the expected result.
Good. I got the main points of it.
Do you have any suggestions?
After I read it in detail, I will tell you my opinion.
Okay. I will alter it according to your opinion.
Please wait for my call.
Mr. Paul, do you have time now?
Yes?
Do you remember the agent we met last time?
Sure. What's wrong?
We had a long meeting this Monday. He has agreed to the items of the draft agreement we apply.
That's good. The agent, does he seem reliable to you?
Yes, I think so. He's got a lot of experience.
Okay. When is your next meeting with him?
We're meeting him this Wednesday, just to sort out some final details.
Fine. Let me know what happens.
Of course.
Make everything clearly, and then we will decide the time of the signing ceremony.
I see.